morning everyone and welcome to another vlog. Today is Friday, finally. I woke up this morning and it was freezing. Came outside to the car and everything is frozen, like the windows are all frozen and the door, I literally had to yank it open so I could get in, but it is freezing. It's like, I'm surprised it's not snowing, it's that cold. We're just waiting. Yes baby?
Elsa froze in the car.
Elsa froze the car. Oh my goodness. But we are just about to leave to drop Elisa off to nursery, and then I'm gonna go to Mothercare. Mothercare is closing down. How crazy is that? Like, anything you need baby wise, you go to Mothercare. Like, what are people gonna do? I don't know. Anyway, so that is what's happening. Just got to Solihull Retail Park. Issa is fast asleep. He's actually keeping his hat on. I think he actually is cold. He made me put his blanket on when we left the nursery, as in like he grabbed it from the top of the pushchair when I was putting his seatbelt on, and he was like, like put it on me. But anyway, I'm here at Mothercare. I'm here so early that I've parked in a baby space. Honestly, I can't believe that Mothercare is closing down. Like, how crazy. I might just do a little shop with me so that you guys can go there if you see anything that you like. But yeah, I'm gonna get Issa out the car in the pushchair, put a blanket on him, make him nice and cozy, and then I'm gonna go in and show you what's going on. in Mothercare. Now I'm about to head to Starbucks because I fancy a latte or something, so I'm gonna go and get a coffee. It's so sunny today. I'm outside HomeSense. I'm gonna go there now, but I'm not gonna take you around with me because that can be another day. Okay, getting the pushchair out now. My boy is awake. He looks so sad. I don't even know what's wrong with him. But I'm just in HomeSense having a look around at all the food and everything like that. Picked up a candle, and that smells alright. I've smelt loads of candles today and none of them have smelt nice. This one was the only one that smelled nice. I always want to get some pasta like this for the kids, but I don't know whether it would be nice. Has anyone tried these? Like any of these? What is that? Look at that. Looks like cereal. How amazing are these guys? I'm so tempted to get one for my oil. I love them. I don't know whether I like this one better. So I don't know if you can hear me properly because obviously that, but I've put that on for Easter because he's not a happy bunny since he woke up. He let me shop. I did get a few things and I'll show you them once I get to at least school or home. But right now, gotta head home. This is how I've put the iPad between the two seats. It's so sunny today, it's crazy. I was not expecting that. I don't even have any sunglasses in my sunglasses compartment because I didn't think I need them. But anyway, yeah, let's go get Elisa from school. So I'm outside of Elisa's school and I thought I would show you what I got from TK Maxx. First thing is in here. It is this oil dispenser thing and I love it. Look how beautiful it is. It's so gorgeous. Can't wait to put this where my old one was. My old one, I don't know whether it's because it's oil or what, because it was cheap. But this part always comes off, but this one seems really nice and sturdy. That one's really, really like, it comes out so easily, like it comes out when I pour it. So I needed another one because I absolutely love having these next to my cooker. And you just pour the oil out. So cool, I love it. It was $3.99. This is the candle that I picked up. It is, I don't even know what it is. It was £4, that's what I know. I don't know what smell it is, but it smells delicious. It's just a normal 1-wick candle and I just like having little candles to burn because everybody likes a nice smell. This is going to be a bit hard to show you, but I got a dustpan and brush, one of the standing up ones. It's got a, what do you call this? Like the oil slick kind of design handle, and then it's got like the bent brush because I prefer those than the straight, do you know what I mean? Like the ones that go in the middle, so it's harder to kind of brush into the dustpan. And then the dustpan is nice and big, like it's got a big bucket bit. So I bought this. This was £10. Then the last thing that I picked up from there was San Pellegrino. I've never seen these so cheap. $1.99 for 6 of these. These are my favorite like lemon drink and they are gorgeous. 43 calories per one, but it's a nice little treat. It's something to keep in the fridge for when people come over or just if I want a little bit of fizz. And don't you think fizzy drinks taste so much better out of a glass bottle? Because I do. Look, I'm so excited to have these. I thought I'd quickly show you what I got from Mothercare as well because I got a few little bits, not a lot. This was £4.80. It's like a little hamster ball game, like a toy thing for the kids. They will love this because it just rolls around or something. And then I got some socks. These are the Mylene Class ones and they're just cute little socks. And then the last thing that I got were some leggings. I bought 2 pairs of leggings for Elisa. These were £2.50 each, reduced to like £1 something. So I got 2 of those. That's basically everything that I picked up. Are you okay, little man? He was such a good little boy when we were out, so thank you for being good boys. So this is the toy that we bought. Elisa, do you like it? Yeah? It just runs around. Kids are just having their lunch in here. What are you having for lunch, Monkey? Sandwich, orange, and skips. I'll have that one. Thank you. Lisa's having the same thing. I'm going to have some eggs, but I'm going to make them differently, and I'm not going to have any bread with it. So what I'm going to do is fry a little bit of onion and tomato and some spices, and then add the egg, and then scramble it all together. I'll show you what it's like. I've just made my lunch. This is what it looks like. It smells delicious, so now I'm going to taste it. That is good. So easy to make, guys. So quick as well. It literally takes no time at all, and that is under 200 calories, I would guess. Like a little bit of olive oil. Don't even have to use that. You can use like the sprays or coconut oil or whatever you like. And then I added like 1/4 of an onion, just chopped into little bits, and then a tomato, and then some spices. I just used ground cumin, ground coriander, like the tiniest, but you could literally use a pinch, and then a teeny bit of haldi, a tiny bit of chili powder, depending on how spicy you like it. That's it really. Salt and pepper, that's it. So good. I'm gonna enjoy this now with a glass of orange juice. How annoying is that? I can't take the label off, and I have to wash it off basically and scrub it with soap, which is so annoying. Let's see if we can take this one off. Recycled glass. Right, look how beautiful it is though. I love it so much. This is my other one. Look at the size difference. I'm so happy that this one is much bigger, because this one just runs out too quick. And see how loose that is, and this one just doesn't even move. But I love it. I'm so glad that I got it. I might just use this one for olive oil or something that I don't use as often as vegetable oil, which I cook all my curries with. So yeah, I'm real happy with my purchase. Do you like it? He's got a bit of a runny nose on his nose. He just keeps wiping it on me, so I've got bogey shoulders today. It's 5:30 now, and we are just waiting for our grills takeaway to come. Just ordered not long ago, actually it was a while ago, it's just taking ages. Issa is not feeling well, my poor babies. So I've just been sitting on the sofa giving him cuddles, and he fell asleep, and then I've been editing this vlog that you're watching. But that's it really. I'm just gonna end the vlog now. I'm going to show you what I eat because this is a what I eat vlog as well. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I eat. We ordered a chicken biryani, we ordered a mixed platter which has got like chicken and chops and wings and a chicken steak in there, and we also ordered a kids meal for the kids. That is all. I'm going to end the vlog now and I will see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!